Two brothers. Same parents. Same childhood. Same schools. Same opportunities. They even chose similar careers and earned almost identical salaries their entire lives. Yet by age 65, one retired with $1.4 million, a paid-off house, and total financial freedom. The other, just $180,000 saved, a mortgage still hanging over him, and constant anxiety about money. One spends winters in Arizona. The other works part-time at a hardware store, because retirement alone won't pay the bills. Same DNA. Same income. Radically different endings. How is that possible? The answer might surprise you. It wasn't decisions they made in their 20s. It wasn't even their 30s. And by their 50s, much of the damage was already locked in. The decade that changed everything was their 40s. And that's true for almost everyone. Intro 130. Your 40s are the most important financial decade of your life. Not because you work harder. Not because life gets easier. But because this is where small decisions create massive long-term consequences. The home upgrade. The car payments. The college choices. Lifestyle inflation. Career risks. What looks small in your 40s can determine whether your 70s feel peaceful or financially terrifying. Today, we're breaking down why your 40s quietly decide whether you retire comfortable or stressed. And more importantly, what you can do right now to end up on the right side of that divide. Because retirement isn't usually won or lost in one big decision. It's built through dozens of ordinary choices. And in your 40s, those choices compound like crazy. Section 1. Why your 40s matter more than any other decade. Your 40s sit at the intersection of three financial forces. And this combination never happens again. Force number 1. Peak earning power. For most people, income peaks somewhere between 42 and 55. You're earning more than ever before. And likely more than you ever will again. That means, these are your prime wealth-building years. Force number 2. Compounding still works. At 40, you may still have 20 to 25 years until retirement. That means every dollar invested today can potentially become $4 by retirement. At 50, that same dollar might become only 2.5. At 55, closer to 2. That gap is enormous. Your money works hardest in your 40s. And once that decade passes, you can't get that leverage back. Force number 3. Expenses often stabilize. Kids become more independent. Major furniture purchases are done. Income rises faster than necessities. For many people, their 40s create surplus for the first time. And that's where everything splits. Because that surplus can go in one of two directions. Toward wealth, or toward lifestyle inflation. And that choice changes everything. Section 2. The $1 Million House Upgrade Mistake. Let's talk about the biggest retirement killer nobody treats like one. Housing. In your 40s, many people upgrade. Bigger house. Better neighborhood. Nicer finishes. And it feels reasonable. You've earned it. But here's what most people never calculate. That extra $1,800 a month mortgage payment isn't costing you $1,800 over 25 years. Invested instead, it may cost you over $1 million in retirement wealth. One decision. $1 million consequence. The families who stay in the modest house often retire early. The families who stretch into the dream home often work 10 years longer. Same income. Different math. Section 3. Lifestyle inflation is retirement theft. Here's the silent trap of your 40s. As income rises, expenses quietly rise too. Better vacations. Luxury cars. Private schools. Kitchen remodels. Country clubs. Second homes. And because each upgrade seems affordable, it never feels dangerous. But together, they can destroy retirement. Lifestyle inflation is wealth destruction disguised as success. And most people don't realize it until it's too late. Section 4. The math of 1 decade. Let's run simple numbers. Suppose at 40, you have $100,000 invested. You save 15% of income consistently. By 65, that could grow to roughly $1.3 million. But save little in your 40s and try to catch up later. Maybe $700,000. Maybe less. Difference. Hundreds of thousands. Sometimes over $1 million. And the crazy part, it all came down to 1 decade. Section 5. The decisions that matter most. Here are the 5 decisions your 40s make you face. 1. Housing. By status. Or by freedom. 2. Cars. Transportation. Or lifestyle trap. 3. Kids' education. Support your children without sacrificing your own retirement. 4. Career risk. This may be your last window to dramatically increase income. Use it. 5. Lifestyle ceiling. Define enough. Because if you don't, you'll keep moving the goalpost forever. Section 6. 2 futures. Picture yourself at 70. Version 1. You wake up calm. Bills don't scare you. Unexpected expenses don't threaten you. You choose how you spend your days. That's freedom. Version 2. You check balances constantly. You delay medical care. You work longer because you have to. That's stress. Both futures are created by the choices made decades earlier, mostly in your 40s. Section 7. What to do right now. If you're entering your 40s, audit everything. Is my house too expensive? Are my cars stealing wealth? Am I funding retirement first? Am I confusing success with consumption? And remember, every yes to lifestyle inflation is often a no to future freedom.